Hello friends, today we are going to learn chapter 14 Water. What is water? Water is made of tiny molecules of hydrogen and oxygen. Each one is so small that you can't see it even with the most powerful microscope. Pure water has no color, no taste, and doesn't smell of anything. Water exists in three forms on the earth: solid, liquid, gas. Where can we get water? About 97% of the water on the earth's surface is in the world's oceans. This is where you can find most of the other 3% lakes, rivers, polar ice caps, clouds, rains, stored in rocks, sea ice. Why do we need water? To carry nutrients and waste in the body, to lubricate joints, digestive tract, and body tissues, to cool the body, especially during periods of physical activity, to be used in factories, agriculture, hospitals, hotels, etc. How much water do we need? Most people need about 6 to 8 glasses of water each day. Inadequate fluid intake containing beverages, coffee, tea, colas, etc. should not be drunk because caffeine actually causes you to lose water. More water may be needed during times of fever or illness. Athletes should drink additional amount before, during, and after exercise. Most common reasons for increased demand: increase in world's population as more people live cities and big towns. Increase in farming because farmers start growing more crops. Increase in money earned because people use a lot more water in their homes for things like dishwashers and lawn sprinklers. Water shortage happens when an area does not have enough water to meet the needs of the people who live there. A shortage is caused by too much demand and not enough supply. Why should we save water? Of all the water in the world, only 3% is fresh. Less than one third of 1% of this fresh water is available for human use. The rest is frozen in glaciers or polar ice caps or is deep within the earth beyond our reach. To put it another way, if 100 liters represents the world's water, about half a tablespoon of its fresh water available for our use. Saving water through education, read articles, or debate water related issue in your local area. Investigate the role that water plays in various cultures. Understand the amount of water used in your school and home. Saving water in homes, running water is required for an endless list of uses in and around the home. Imagine living in a house without running water. For some, this might be a nightmare, but for many, it is reality. This is because some of us are not careful while using water in our homes. So, others suffer because of us. Saving water in gardens, there are lots of easy and effective ways to reduce the use of precious drinking water on our gardens. Many gardens contain plants inappropriate for our environment, and we tend to water far more than necessary because we don't know what our plants really need. We can't afford gardens that require excessive amounts of water. Saving water in agriculture, while agriculture is one of our country's most significant water users, some innovative solutions have been developed to improve water use efficiency and maintain or even increase yields. Cotton. Efficient water management is vital for cotton growers to achieve high yields. Rice. Rice is the main crop of India and it requires a lot of water for sowing, growing, cleaning, etc. Dairy. The dairy industry uses water for irrigation of pastures, watering stock and cleaning dairy sheds. Tips to save water. A dripping tap could waste as much as 90 liters a week. Brushing your teeth with the tap running wastes almost 9 liters a minute. Rinse out from a tumbler instead. Cool water kept in the fridge means you won't have to run the tap for ages to get a cold drink. Don't use your washing machine until you got a full load. A full load uses less water than two half loads. Tips to save water. Every time you boil an egg, save the cold water for your house plants. They benefit from the nutrients released from the shell. Sprinklers can be wasteful. A sprinkler can use as much water in an hour as a family of four will use in a day. Trigger nozzles can save water by using it only when needed.